see around 32 slides. So it is a continuous process of improvement. And the thing, whatever the thoughts and instances and illustrations which I used here, this is all from my experience with Abhi. So I hope that you people will enjoy and will gain some knowledge, as well as I would like to hear from you, your feedback, your suggestions in order to develop it further and further. Everybody knows that these are the achievements we come across during our tenure with the Abhi, but this is not our final destination. This is just a milestone. So we have to move further, as well as in order to retain these things, what we have to do. This is what we are going to see. In the best practices, the first thing is the appearance, and the second is punctuality, and then dedication. So when we say appearance, what will come into our mind is our dress. So whatever you are, whether you are a CEO or you are a CFO or you are a manager, if you don't have a proper dress code, you will not, I don't think you will express that you are a manager or CEO or CFO or whoever you are. So dressing is very, very important wherever you go, whether you are attending a family party or you are attending a career related things like attending a meeting or attending your office, you have to follow kind of dress codes. If you are working in an office, you have to wear a formal dress with your tie. And if you are a site-oriented guy, suppose you have to wear this one with the ID. So when we talk about the appearance, only one thing will hit our mind, which is the dress, the appearance. Then the second thing of the best practice is the punctuality. See, when we hear the word punctuality, so it is having a broad meaning that punctuality means not only going in time to office, but also doing things in also time. That's why I put some scenarios like you have to be punctual in fulfilling the client's requirements, and you have to be in the same thing with your line managers and attending the client's meeting as well as the management reporting. And then we covered appearance, we covered the punctuality, and the third point is the dedication. In the dedication, whatever we are going to see the remaining slides is all part of the dedication. As you know that dedication is having a very huge and broad meaning. So I try to put few things of dedication. In which the first one is the behavior. See, wearing the safety gear, this is also a kind of behavior. I can say it is the safety behavior. You can say I can come to office in time, I can do everything, but I don't wear the safety gears. No, this means you are not fulfilling the industrial requirement. See, when we are joining the company, we used to write kind of form or oath that I will come in time, go in time. Just by doing like this, you are not fulfilling, unless otherwise you have to perform it. See, your beliefs don't make you a better person rather than your behavior. So you have to reflect your things, your belief is by behavior. See this one, the corridor charting, this is also one of the bad behavior, I can say. And then here I put some slides about the safety behavior. The safety is very important if you, for example, if you are going to the offshore, especially to the oil fields, when you are landing in a helipad, the first hoardings, what you can see is your safety starts here. So this means your safety starts as soon you step down to your office or from your house or wherever you are going.